Let's do it.
Hey, what are you guys doing in here?
Cornhole.
Welcome to Three Cheap Dudes. This week, we're going to make a cornhole board set. And to do that, we need 3/4 inch plywood. We're going to cut it into 2 foot by 4 foot sections and then build the frame around it, cut the holes in it, and put legs on it, and then we'll paint it and decorate it all pretty.
Are you good at cornhole?
Oh, I suck.
I'm so bad. This would be fun.
Maybe we get some practice.
Yeah, I guess. I'm going to need it.
So I'm just going to cut everything with the circular saw. And,
No cutting with the saw. I got this.
alright, have at it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Safety first.
Now we have these nice cuts, nice clean cuts. Thanks, Chris. Now we just gotta screw it together and paint it.
And cut a hole in it.
Got a hole in it.
Freaking right.
So, Jeff, so like the wind